Turbo Boy, are you playing with cubes?
Cubes? What are cubes, teacher?
These are called cubes. The edges of each cube are equal.
Teacher, is this dice a cube too?
Yes, it is. This is because it also has equal edges, but the dice is smaller than the wooden block. Can you measure each edge of the dice?
Each edge is 1 centimeter long, teacher.
Good. It is a 1 cm cube. As each side of the dice is 1 unit long, we also call it a unit cube.
I see, teacher.
Do you think box is a cube?
No, it isn't. This box does not have equal sides.
Clever boy. This is a cuboid. We can look at a solid from different directions. For example, this is a cubic stationary stand, and this is how it looks from different directions.
Whoa, teacher, it is amazing. I'm going to draw what I see on a piece of paper.
Good work, Turbo Boy. I have here a wooden solid which is made up of some 1 centimeter cubes. Tell me how many 1 centimeter cubes are there?
3?
No, Turbo Boy. Take a closer look at it.
I know what to do. I can take the red cube away from the top and put it here. There are 4 1 centimeter cubes.
Clever boy. What about this solid? How many 1 centimeter cubes make up this solid?
Let me try to build a solid like that to see. 8 cubes, teacher.
Splendid work. Do you know what the volume of the solid is?
It's something new. Can you tell me, teacher?
The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. Volume of a 1 centimeter cube is 1 cubic centimeter.
This solid is made up of 8 1 centimeter cubes. Thus, its volume is 8 cubic centimeters.
Correct. Look at this solid. What is its volume?
Let me see. Oh yes, teacher. This solid is made up of 8 1 centimeter cubes too. Therefore, its volume is also 8 cubic centimeters.
Well done, Turbo Boy. Do you know, Turbo Boy, you can also draw a unit cube on a dotted paper like this.
This looks like fun. Can I draw 3 figures using 1 centimeter cubes on the dotted paper, teacher?
Okay. Excellent work. You have drawn 3 different figures using 3 1 centimeter cubes for each figure. Do you know what their volumes are?
Although they look different, they have the same volume, which is 3 cubic centimeters.
Clever boy. I have here another figure. If I take out the 2 purple 1 centimeter cubes from this solid, what will it look like?
It will look like this.
Great! What is its volume?
Since it is made up of 7 1 centimeter cubes, its volume is 7 cubic centimeters.
That's correct. Can you draw another 2 figures of 7 cubic centimeters on the dotted paper?
No problem, teacher. Here they are.
Good. What have you learned from this exercise?
I've learned that some solids may look different, but they have the same volume.
Turbo Boy, look at this solid. Do you know what it is?
It's a cuboid. It's much bigger than a 1 centimeter cube. Let me measure its length, breadth, and height. The length is 1 meter, the breadth is 1 centimeter, and the height is 1 meter.
Good. How many 1 centimeter cubes are needed to form such a cuboid, Turbo Boy?
As two of the sides are 1 meter each, as 1 meter is 100 centimeters, I will get 100 times 100, which is equals to 10,000 pieces of 1 centimeter cubes if I cut along the two 1 meter sides. Thus, the cuboid is made up of 10,000 pieces of 1 centimeter cubes. Whoa, this cuboid is considerably big.
If we put 100 such cuboids together along the 1 centimeter edge, we will get this solid. Tell me, what kind of solid is it?
It looks like a cube, teacher. Let me check if it is a cube. The breadth of this solid is 100 times the breadth of the 1 centimeter cube, which is 100 centimeters. As 100 centimeters is 1 meter, the breadth of this solid is 1 meter. Teacher, I've confirmed that it is a 1 meter cube, as all the sides are equal to 1 meter.
Clever boy! You can see that a 1 meter cube is much bigger than a 1 centimeter cube.
What about its volume, teacher?
The volume of 1 meter cube is 1 cubic meter. Like 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic meter is also a standard unit of volume. As 1 cubic meter is a much bigger unit than 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic meter is used to measure the volume of big objects, like this carton box.
I see, teacher.
Turbo Boy, tell me what you have learned today.
The edges of a cube are all equal. There are different sizes of cubes. 1 centimeter cube, which is also called a unit cube, is one of them. I've learned that volume is the amount of space a solid occupies. I know how to build a solid by putting 1 cm cubes together and state its volume by counting the cubes. In addition, I've learned how to draw these solids out on a piece of dotted paper. Now I can draw different solids with the same volumes simply by using the same number of cubes arranged in different manner. I also understand that cubic centimeter and cubic meter are standard units of volume. 1 cubic meter is much bigger than 1 cubic centimeter. That's all, teacher.
Very good, Turbo Boy. See you at the next lesson.